Halloween is one of those holidays people go all out for. Costumes, candy, decorations, even custom cards. So today I'm going to show you how you can personalize your own Halloween greeting cards, all with using Gelato's Personalization Studio. Let's go. I wanted this card to feel fun and interactive and something that you could personalize. So using my dog as inspiration, I drew this design in Procreate and then added a few extra elements in Canva. I kept it black and white line art, so if you wanted to, you could even color it in, which adds a interactive element to this design, which I really love. I added some text that can also be traced over, as well as a personalized element, which I popped in Gelato's Personalization Studio. When it comes to designing cards, especially for holidays, you want to think of something that is nostalgic or something that you can have as a keepsake. When it comes to print-on-demand products like this or stationery items in your shop, you want to think of maybe something that a grandparent or a parent or family member can send to their child to have them then personalize it, color it in, and have it as a keepsake. Let me show you more closely how we got this design. So like I said, I drew my dog as dressed up in a few different Halloween costumes and then made it a outline sketch. I then uploaded this design into Canva and added a few other Halloween elements to it just by searching Halloween in the Elements tab on the left-hand side. I also added some text. This font is from Creative Fabrica. If you want this exact font, I have it linked in the description below. I love this for kids' designs because one, it's super easy to read, and two, it's traceable, which adds to, again, the interactive aspect of this postcard. Also on the bottom, I left a part that could be personalized, and this is where Gelato comes in. In Gelato, I upload the design and then select personalization on the left-hand side. I'm going to then select add text, and in that text box, I can say add text here or your child's name here or just provide a name. But this text box, this personalization box, is going to allow my customer to then personalize it on their own, all automated, all through Gelato. So now a buyer, when they go to my listing on my Etsy shop or the product on my Shopify website, they can add in their own customized text and see it in real time what their name is going to look like on this card. It's instant gratification and really makes the product feel like one of a kind. Instant add to cart. This type of a card is a gold mine for parents or even pet parents, grandparents, the holiday niche, memorial niche, as you can add so many different niches into postcards or stationery products. When it comes to listing on Etsy, you can list them as personalized Halloween coloring postcards. You are sure to stand out from the competition. Who else is offering colorable postcards? And that's it. How you create a fun and super spooky customized postcard with the help of Gelato. Comment Halloween and I'll send you a link that will get you 50% off your first sample order with Gelato. Or if you want to know how to pick a niche and build your shop, I have my POD launch blueprint for you down below. Until then, I can't wait to see what you create, and I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you later, Rebel.